Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the volume of your video on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my project, and if you want to set the volume of your video, just go to the lower bar, tap to the edit button at the lower left corner of the screen, and you can find the volume option next to the camera tracking. Tap that, and here just click to the circle and just pull on the line, and you can set the strength of the volume. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.